Everybody, and welcome back to Betty and Leon. Today's episode, we're going on a road trip to drop the Godzilla motor back to Matty Russell and do the stage one, the pull down of the motor. Look at this mad little rig just chilling over here. If you want to see more of that on the channel, let us know. Something different. Major Morris Elite, purebred race car from back in 1960 something. Road trip.
Grant's running it down to the wire.
So we may have missed the last fuel stop, and we're on dashes, right? So we're on dashes. They usually go at like 25 k's to empty, and we got 4 minutes or 5.8 k's. So
can we show that?
Yep, we can show that. Yep. So I don't know. We might be walking down the highway getting some diesel, I don't know.
Yep, handy.
It's living life on the edge, that's how we roll.
We're heading for Richardson Road.
Yep.
Oh, we might be going drifting tonight.
Yeah, maybe. We'll see.
Alright.
If we get through this mess.
Cool.
I blame Rob.
Yeah, I do too. Sitting in the passenger seat for the last 7 hours.
Yep. Awesome. Maybe this guy can tow us. Don't cough on me now, Big Blue. We're in fuel saving mode, so we've got to go smooth as fast, even though there's an engine in the back. I'm going to roll through here. Oh, it's looking promising, lads. I'm trying to roll without rolling the engine out the back. Oh, I'm gentle on the throttle. This would be shit pushing it up this hill, I tell you.
Yep, we would.
Don't stop on me now.
We're gonna make it. Woohoo!
Oh damn, son. That was and this is where I picked the wrong Bowser and there's no diesel on it. Where's the diesel? Where's the diesel pump? What's it called?
Oh, gotta be this one here. Hasn't it? Yeah, it's got diesel. Yep.
Out of order?
Oh,
Are you fucking me?
No, roll to the next one.
Oh. I was gonna say. Shit, man, that would have been funny though. Yeah, boy. That, my friends, I feel like that's a new high score. 75 point.
How big's the tank?
I don't know. I thought it was 75. So, you know, awesome, winning. Cool race cars, but look at this big bad unit. What a race car sitting on the hill.
It's got a rotor in the back of it.
It does have a rotor in the back of it. A rotor that's seen many laps around here, actually.
Unfortunately, not with us.
No, not yet.
Memphis Reigns, the legend precedes you. Ali tells me the best.
I've seen 11 a couple of times at Queensland Raceway.
Couple of times.
Yeah, like every lap of a 10-lap race or a 6-lap race.
Now you're talking.
Yeah, I'm not gonna bullshit you. Here's the evidence.
Quite a few times off the start.
Al's the king of starts.
It's hard to control it when you like the thing.
I won't tell you about the story with Al
Yeah,
at the start.
no, I know the story of the front counterweight.
And he wouldn't show me the video. I said, how hard are you at your revs? It's not excessive. It was on the fucking stop for ages. But he was winning.
Yeah, well, I mean, that's the difference, isn't it?
I was dragging Quentin off the line.
Well, that's what we built him for, wasn't it, Al? Because it grabbed the bearing. And so the bearing had a lip over it and it was holding onto the crank.
Yeah.
So
Real nothing, eh?
that's amazing, isn't it? Shows you how good the oil is. Front bearing here, it's copper hiding too. That front stationary gear is going to be not real nice.
Yeah.
Very interesting how it bunches up the stationary gear side on the springs, eh? Like these ones, look at the tension on these are fine. They're like when we build it, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Why is this so?
No, I don't know. Something else to work out. It's got some funky marks on the When I talked to Richard Green, he also said anything that we're given a rev seems to break the oil control O-rings. Now I don't understand the relationship between RPM and the oil control O-rings, but like he's built a lot of good motors too.
Yeah.
And
Who's he?
Richard Green in New Zealand.
Oh, Green Brothers.
Brothers?
Yeah, right. Yeah, they screw together some stuff.
Yeah. And he said exactly the same.
Yeah.
So, and this motor's seen a lot of big revs.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm wondering whether it's a heat-related thing, to be totally honest. But I don't know. Like if we
Which
had
one
the
it
answer,
is?
we'd fix it, wouldn't we?
Yeah.
But what oil pressure did this run when you were racing?
75 to like 90, I think. Somewhere in that
75
range.
down the end of the straight.
Yeah.
When you
I usually start them up with them sitting on the ground.
well, we don't normally have. Let's pull that way. Yep. We don't normally have the coils like that. I normally run it all through this.
Oh, yes, okay. Yep.
But we just wanted to try his stuff and make sure everything was right.